I want to start with, what are the different types of meditation, Tatiana?
So there are different types of meditation. The most basic one for us humans is breathing. We can do it at any point in time. If you're in an office, if you're at home in bed, it's simply focusing on your breathing. So we have breathing meditations. There are walking or moving meditations. So for example, many of the old historic places have labyrinths, and those are basically moving meditations where you come in with an intention, with a problem to solve. You go through the labyrinth and you come out differently, and it actually has changed, and it's been proven, the way people think because of the twists and turns. The brain comes up with different solutions, which is what Dana was saying regarding neuroplasticity. That's another type of meditation. I personally enjoy moving meditation in terms of music and dance, where we're really aware. There's other types of meditation for it just depends. For example, if your intention is more of a spiritual soul level practice, there's transcendental meditation and other types of exercises like spiritual exercises. Depends on what your intentions. If you want to focus on body or productivity or healing, or the mindfulness basically can adapt to any area of your life, and that's what's so beneficial about it. If you are interested in finding out more, I found this book, Inner Worlds of Meditation. This was like my first book on the topic, and it is simple and it gives very practical exercises and the experience of what it is to meditate.
Very interesting, yeah, because I think that we just need to understand from the basics and then build up. There's one type of meditation that I really like, and it is guided meditation. Can you both help me a little bit to understand more about guided meditation?
Actually, that's one of the steps, and to answer your previous question, Vivi, that's one of the steps to starting out in the world of meditation, is guided meditation. I love it, regardless of how many years anyone's been practicing. It's just a wonderful technique because it's a way where you let go of your mind and you listen to someone guiding you through the process. So the way I was explaining meditation or mindfulness, as comparing it to like the mind being a 2-year-old in a park, guided meditation is like that adult that holds the 2-year-old and guides it through the process. So you can't quiet the mind. It's just not possible. You can guide it and appease it. And guided meditation is a great way of doing that. And it's a great way to start if you've never done that.
I think definitely from what I've seen, lots of people agree with that. It's just easier for somebody to start right there. And interesting enough, somebody told me once that they see it almost as a task because they have to do something. It's opposite to planning or being by yourself in a different part of the room. They just see it as a task and it's on their list and they do it. So, and I said, I obviously don't care how you do it as long as you do it and it works. So I completely agree. That's one of the first things that I recommend to my patients.
Yeah, I guess because it gives you something to follow. Yeah,
Yes.
you have like a task. That's totally correct. I personally love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a guided meditation link, and Tatiana is going to direct that. And absolutely try it and see if it helps. This is something that anyone can do, and it is just a way to start. Yeah, it's a starting point for maybe for you.
And one other encouragement: many people think they're not good at meditating because, again, the mind distracts or has an opinion or a judgment. And one of the key things is to invite compassion for the process, and to just let the mind be and do its thing. You will check out, you will get distracted, just expect that, and that is part of the process, and that's the beauty, that there's always a focusing back to whatever your intention was or whatever that point of focus. So please know that, be prepared. And another encouragement is to be really comfortable, especially if you've gone through any health situation. I personally don't enjoy like sitting upright and cross-legged because it affects my circulation. And so in areas like that, it's okay to just be comfortable so that you don't have to focus on your body and its discomfort. You can just focus on your practice.
Awesome. Well,
Sounds great.
thank you so much, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.